about time you guys nut my desk.
This desk cost me over $700. And this desk, a very similar product, only cost me $400. Well, actually, the company did send it to me for free. Not to worry, because if you look down in the description below, you can use my discount code JAKE01 for 10% off. So, you guys ready? Let's sizzle. You guys see this? In Bacon We Trust, where's the S? I don't know. Hey guys, Jake Bacon here, and look, I know that $400 is not cheap for a desk, but when you are talking about a motorized sit-stand desk that has a dual 3-stage motor system and can hold about 264 pounds, this is one of the best priced options that I've found. Check out these very similar legs from a known competitor, which I do have for my main desk setup. And for a comparable product, you would need their Pro version that comes in at $599. $300 more than the legs from AI Terminal. And AI Terminal even has some cheaper options as well if you only need a single motor or less height adjustments. So take a look at this. All right, so my other standing desk has 4 spots for height presets you can use, and this one only has 3. But I really ever use more than 2, and this one also comes with USB ports, which I think is far more useful than having the extra preset. Now, all you have to do is set it to the height you want and then hold the up arrow and the preset spot you want for a few seconds. Then you just press the button and it goes.
What? Nice.
I think it's also pretty quiet. Now look, I really want to show you guys this awesome hack that I found for these desks that for some reason no one is really talking about. And it did take me quite a bit of time to research and find the right size and everything. But first, I mean, if you could just click that like button until it starts to sizzle and subscribe if you like my content, it really does help me out a lot. Okay, so what is my favorite thing that I did to this desk? Wheels. And these did take me, honestly, a bit of time to find like which ones would fit. But luckily, most of these standing desk legs are pretty much similar size and everything. So I'll link these exact ones in the description below so you can get them for yourself. But I mean, they lock. And even at standing height, I mean, this thing is perfectly stable. So I've been mostly using this desk for a B-roll set to shoot products on, and it's perfect for that because the top it came with, well, I just love unique wood grain designs, and it is only made out of particle board, but it's still good quality and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about staining it. Now mine is dark oak, but they also have light oak as well, and white or black for a clean minimal look. Then you can get matching legs in either white, black, or gray. They even have a couple unique designs like this vintage looking desk and this dual top design. And they have several unique accessories as well as a file cabinet and office chairs, so just make sure that you look around the site. Now, how do you cable manage this thing? Well, the desk actually comes with these 3M adhesive cable ties that are great for using under the desk. I've also used these 3M zip tied mounts and zip ties I found on Amazon for my other desk, and they work amazing. I'll definitely link those below as well. So this was a short video. I mean, it's a desk. But if you don't have a sit-stand desk yet, I promise you it's worth it. It really helps out with saving your back if you work at a desk a lot, and even just being able to get that perfect ergonomic sitting height is worth it. Now, there are many great desk makers out there now, but a lot of them are very similar products, and I mean, when it comes to price and performance, I would buy these all day long. And if you don't like their tabletop options, I mean, just get the legs and you can attach pretty much any top you want. That's what I did with my other desk. It's sit-stand legs with an IKEA countertop on it. Easy. All right, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and it allows me to make more content like this. Subscribe for more and always remember, in Bacon we trust. A very similar product. In this desk, a very similar product, but that doesn't really matter because luckily for you guys, if you use my code JAKE01, link down in the description, you'll get 10% off this bad boy. But take a look at this. But take a look at this. But take a look at this. In this desk, there's gonna be a discount code for all of you for 10% off. JAKE01.